Roxana Rodriguez, Katrina Santiago, Micaela Montecon, Patricia Uiking, Micah Niroban, Samantha Ignacio, and Jenna Manalini. For passing the primary examinations, we have Amanda Raimundo, Carla Fuangco, and Micaela Fabia.
That's grade 1 level. Your last exam is still.
For passing the grade 1 examination, we have Cristiana Reyes, Nina Campos, and Alex Lozada. For passing the grade 3 examinations, we have Aliana Wihanco and Maha Concho of the Meta Dance Theater. Now, I have gone through most of the examinations myself, given by the Royal Academy of Dance. From my experience, I can say that this is really exciting, at the same time nerve-wracking, more for these children. And this last award is for this young student for passing her grade 1 examination with the highest mark of 67%. May call on Alex Lozada. Congratulations. Congratulations, girls. And I guess everybody is excited to have pictures with their children. So before I let you go, I would like to have a few words, reminders. Ballet classes will resume on January 5, 2009, Monday, and have a very Merry Christmas.
Before we go, I really need to recognize and acknowledge a fantastic, patient, sweet, and organized ballet teacher. Really, let's give a round of applause for Corina. Thank you. Thank you and congratulations. Thank you. We can have a photo op. Let's have a photo op. Teacher Corina, can we have a chair for her in the middle? Everybody else, let's form a round semicircle